Welcome back to another episode on the channel. Today we'll be changing the starter on the car. You can see I got it in my hand. This is the old starter. This is the new one. Well, not technically new, but it's a used one that I pulled from one of our parts car. But this been on the car for I have no idea, like ever since I got the car, which is like I probably owned the car for like 3-4 years now. But the previous owner obviously had this on the car, so the starter finally went. So yeah, I went to start the car and all I heard was click click, nothing. I thought the battery was dead. I put a different battery in, still wouldn't start. Then I realized the car started if you like, I don't even know how to explain, but you like put it in like first gear or reverse and you push it and you release the clutch really fast and it'll like get things going. But the car started up like that, so then I kind of like, oh okay, that's the starter. So anyways, we're gonna change the starter. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how to get to the starter. Well, it's gonna be much easier on this because there's a lot of things deleted, like this SAI pump, the secondary air injection pump, is not there. A lot of the coolant lines, like the stock turbo coolant lines, the stock turbo coolant lines and the oil line that was there is not there anymore. So the manifold, the stock manifold is not there. So this is like kind of way easier than the stock. You would have to move a lot more stuff with the stock. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I put this in this car. So let me show them real quick. So if you guys look, the starter goes in here, right in there. So I'm gonna put it up. Hold this. So yeah, before I put up the starter, your secondary air injection would be sitting like right here somewhere. So you would most likely have to move that out of the way if you have the stock setup, which I know a lot of you guys which are gonna have. So you'd have to move the stock setup, the SAI out of the way. I don't remember exactly, but I know one of the lines off of the turbo runs around here somewhere. I don't have that anymore, so I'm just gonna snake this up in here like that. So the starter is up in there now, so all I gotta do is put the grounds wire back to the starter, connect the wires, which I can't really see, but I'm gonna. If you guys look at these are the bolts that hold in the starter. You're gonna need like a 11, these are like, you could use a 11mm wrench to take these out. 11mm socket. So I'm gonna catch these in. Anyways, guys, I got the starter in, so now all I gotta do is put the connections back on. So here we go. One is right here. I think this nut is a 12 millimeter. So one is a 12, the other one there. Yes, heat. By 10 piece, right? Yeah, bunny. Yeah. The bunny? Yeah. That. Anyway, guys, got the starter in. So, you want to start the answer?
See if it works.
Yeah. We might as well start it up and see if the starter actually works.
That's not here.
Not here. So, anyways, guys, the car is not gonna fire up on the first try because of the fuel setup. So you gotta like prime it up, turn the key, let it prime up for like a couple times. When it starts, it's gonna sound shitty. So, anyways. question, make sure you comment, ask them in the comment below, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, you know. And if you got questions on how to do it on your car with the stock setup, shoot me a message. Maybe I have like a few tips I could give you guys. But anyways, as usual, thanks for watching.